Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your overwhelming support to my channel. I'm going to revise US dollar JPY because I noticed a trend reversal today. So I thought of updating these details to you. So let's go back and see what sort of analysis we did earlier. So I'm in weekly time frame now. In weekly time frame, I have updated you that it was traveling on a channel pattern. You can see it is not perfectly channel pattern. Here it has gone out of the channel, but you can see that it always respected the support and resistance in every part. And at this point here, it has broken the channel pattern and gone up and has retested. Retesting is very important to confirm that the uptrend has started. So presently in higher time frame, we know that it has broken the channel pattern, and from weekly time frame we know that this part is acting as a strong resistance. Here it has acted as a strong resistance, and on the bottom side also this is acting as a strong support because price has come down here and retested, and the channel pattern is also over here. Weekly channel pattern is also over here, so it has respected this dynamic support. Okay, let us go to the daily time frame. So I had mentioned earlier also, in daily time frame also the price was traveling on a very nice channel pattern, gave a breakout here and went up, then retraced and tested the dynamic support, then traveled up, again retested the dynamic support, again retested the upper dynamics resistance. Now it is actually on downtrend. You can see every time it has tested retraced, there is a dynamic central line where the price actually struggles every time it tries to break this central line. The price has traveled up to here, up to near to the center. It hasn't retraced up to the center. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. The central line from the channel pattern is actually forming as a strong support. This is forming a strong support. It has tested here, it has tested here. This price hasn't tested here. When we see the retracement also, from here it has started a downtrend. Here it is struggling to break this level here, which is 110.920, and during the downtrend also it has formed a very nice triangle pattern. You can see it formed a very nice triangle pattern. This is the bottom it was trying to break and it couldn't break, and it found a support here. And here we can notice that it has given a break in the triangle pattern. The uptrend is going to continue. That is the information we have, because overall it is a uptrend. It gave a retracement to 60%, 0.618 in Fibonacci's retracement level. Then the uptrend is actually starting. We can see the little bit of energy building up here for the uptrend. And what will be the next resistance? This neckline, it has tested several points. Presently also it is trying to test this point. This line is going to act as a very strong resistance for this trend line. As long as it doesn't break, the uptrend is still not yet confirmed, and the triangle pattern will still continue. So this is going to be a very strong support, and this is going to be a very strong resistance. I'm expecting a consolidation here and a strong up movement from here. That is what my expectation is. But still, we still have a little bit of space on the bottom side also, because we know that in channel pattern from daily time frame, this is up resistance here. This is a central line from daily time frame channel pattern. We still have little bit of space here. Maybe we could have a retracement to here, then again a pullback to happen. That could also be one more scenario, I'm thinking. So still the uptrend is intact, and we can expect the uptrend to start, but it's struggling at this resistance point, which has acted as a very strong resistance. If it doesn't succeed in breaking this resistance line, it could retrace up to this level and start an uptrend here. Point wise, when we see it, 111.29 is going to be a strong resistance, and then the support is going to be 110.91 is going to be a strong support. If it breaks this support also, next support is going to be at this point, which is going to be 110.64. If it breaks on the upside, if it breaks this 111.29, we are going to see a next resistance where the price struggle to go up, this is going to be a next resistance. And then when it breaks this point, I mean, we are expecting an uptrend to start. So from here, we're expecting the uptrend to start. So this is going to be acting as a next resistance, 111.659. And we have a channel pattern running also from daily time frame, and this resistance is also there. As long as this resistance is not taken, we can see a trend reversal and retracing to the downside. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.